Welcome to another episode of Wayne's World Garage. Maybe the title of this should be called, How Many Grown Men Does It Take to Mix One Bag of Concrete? Instead of cutting logs into wood today, we poured concrete into the ballast box I built. We had a lot of fun, but for some reason it took 8 men to mix and pour 30 bags of concrete. Thankfully, Steve, Dan, and Phil did 90% of the heavy lifting, which allowed the remaining 5 geezers to micromanage this project and provide supervision. Thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and please click subscribe. I've got 25 bags and they told me I got 30 here I can use.
For a price.
Per price.
Oh, look, he's got all these fancy rocks over
We'll
here.
give you some 4x4s.
Look, pre-mixed concrete. Yeah.
No, it should, Bob, I hope 21 bags. If the math is right, about. I bought 25 and I was counting. Tom said you might have a few if we run short. I didn't want to buy too many because I got them from Johnson and
Right.
returning from at Home Depot is easy, but Johnson's not the same.
I got 30 bags in there in case you want to know.
Okay,
It'll be close, but I don't think they'll know.
so all right, let's start. Let's take a wager here. Who thinks we got enough? I think we do.
You're the one that did all
Am I the only one that thinks we got enough?
A little bit of magic.
Put a couple of them rocks in there, you'll have plenty.
And some of the steel. All right, let's let it rip, Tater Chip.
What are we waiting on?
What are we waiting on? We need some more people to supervise.
You got Pete. Don't you have enough for 2 bags in there?
No, we're just doing one.
Bag at a time.
He put enough water for 2, did you, Pete? Oh, okay. All right. I thought you did.
That mix is a lot better if you pull it forward.
Oh, now he tells us.
Well, you still can. I mean, you got to lift it up and hold it.
Oh, I see it. I'll hold it like that.
See how those paddles are mixing it better?
Yeah, that looks like work though. Well, they promised scattered showers today, and it rained, and just about every bag of concrete got wet and broke when we tried to pick it up and put it in the mixer. What are you going to do? It made a mess. But if you're wondering why I lost the bet, assuming they would take 25 or less bags, it's because we probably put 2 or 3 bags on the ground and kind of washed them away. It is what it is. "90 seconds later, the shower was over, and we're back to work. Unfortunately, too late to save the concrete. If any of us had a little bit of brains, we would have covered up the concrete with a tarp, which I had brought, but we failed to do that. And hoping they wouldn't fall apart is not a plan. If I did the calculations, they say 0.8 cubic foot per bag.
Right.
I should need 21.
All right, we'll see.
Right, well, that's, what do I know, right?
You're probably right.
No, I usually end up short and run into Home Depot.
But I'm just trying to make sure I win.
Destroying.
Your wife said you end up short.
Yes. Well, this wraps up another episode of Wayne's World Garage. My apologies if this was a little bit boring, but mixing and pouring concrete does not require a PhD. But to do it right, you do need some skills and some experience. Thanks to everyone who helped out, and next week we'll see if the tractor can lift this beast. Have a good day, and if you like this, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.